Well, welcome to Rein Therapeutics, a channel introducing multi-pathway treatments for fibrosis. And joining to talk about basically the first patient dose, along with news and what we can expect moving forward, we have Brian Windsor, the CEO, joining us. But first and foremost, welcome, sir.
Thanks for having me. Great to be here.
Pleasure to get you on. So I want to dive into this. The news: Rein Therapeutics announces first patient dose in the Renew Phase 2 trial of LTI-03 in patients with IPF. So maybe break this down and tell us what this means for the company.
This is a big step for us. We've been waiting for this for a long time. This drug's been in development for a while. We did a great phase 1b study that we got data on the end of last year. Biomarkers all looked great, safety looked great. So we just were going full speed ahead for phase 2 trial. This is the kind of trial where we're going to be measuring patient lung function values over 24 weeks ultimately. So it's a real test of whether this drug is working or not. And we announced a couple of weeks ago that we had opened the trial. We kicked off, we screened a patient, and then that patient was randomized or dosed here just a few days ago. So glad to have somebody dosed in the trial, and obviously many more to come.
Yeah, definitely appreciate the insight there. But maybe looking forward, what's the next thing investors should pay attention to here? What are you guys kind of focused on moving forward?
We're really focused on enrollment. So IPF trials, as you probably know, there's some competition for these studies. There are some competitors that have fallen away, which is going to benefit us. So we're going to see how enrollment's going over the next few weeks to month, couple of months. And we'll be just getting sites open, firstly here in the US, but then ex-US sites online and more patients enrolled. So we're really going to bead on enrollment here in the next couple of months as to how quickly we're going to get data in this trial.
Yeah, definitely appreciate all this. And obviously, as news and all this comes down the wire, we'll pass it up to the viewers. Consider subscribing to get it when it comes out here and let us know what you think in that comment section below. But on that note, we look forward to catching you in the next one.